Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, January 19, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David.
How are you today?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am very tired.
Why are you tired?
I need a lot of coffee.
Did you sleep well?
No, not really.
That is too bad.
I have a long day today.
What do you have to do?
I have 3 meetings with clients.
That is a lot of work.
Yes, sales is hard work.
I understand.
What about you?
I am busy too.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, I have a project review.
Is it a big project?
Yes, it is very important.
You are always organized.
I try to be.
I need this coffee now.
Is the machine working?
Yes, it is working fine.
Good. I need a cappuccino.
I am drinking a black coffee.
You always drink black coffee?
It wakes me up fast.
That is true.
Did you see the news this week?
I read a little bit.
There are some crazy stories.
Which ones did you see?
I saw one in USA Today.
When was it published?
It was on January 14th, 2026.
What is the story about?
It is about burgers.
Burgers, really?
Yes, it is called the synthetic meat mandate.
That sounds serious.
It is very controversial.
What does the article say?
It says California passed a new bill.
What does the bill do?
Fast food places must serve 50% lab-grown meat.
Wow, 50%?
Yes, by the year 2028.
That is very soon.
I know, it is crazy.
Why are they doing this?
They say it is for climate change.
Well, that makes sense.
Does it? I like real meat.
But the environment is important.
I know, but the taste is different.
Have you tried it?
No, I am scared to try it.
Maybe it tastes good.
I doubt it.
It saves a lot of water.
But I want a real burger.
You can still have real meat?
Only 50% of the time.
It is an interesting law.
It is bad for business.
Why is it bad for business?
People might stop buying burgers.
Or maybe they will buy more.
Why would they buy more?
Because it is eco-friendly.
Maybe you are right.
We have to adapt to changes.
I prefer the old ways.
You are funny, David.
I'm just honest.
Did you see any other news?
Yes, I saw one about technology.
I like technology news.
This one is in the Washington Post.
Was it recent?
Yes, from January 15th, 2026.
What is the headline?
It is called the Smart Contact Lens Ban.
Oh, I heard about this.
It is a big problem for me.
Why is it a problem?
I love gadgets.
What does the ban say?
You cannot record video with lenses.
In public places?
Yes, in all public spaces.
I think that is good.
Why is it good?
It protects our privacy.
But it is cool technology.
I do not want you recording me.
I would not record you.
How do I know that?
Because I am your friend.
But strangers are not friends.
The companies are angry.
Which companies?
The tech companies,
Of course they are angry.
they say it stops safety features,
What safety features?
like recording a crime.
That is a good point.
See, it is useful.
But privacy is more important.
Imagine the sales meetings.
What about them?
I could record the client.
Without them knowing?
Yes, to remember the details.
That is unethical, David.
It is just efficient.
No, it is creepy.
You are too strict.
I am a project manager.
You follow all the rules.
Rules exist for a reason.
Well, the law is here now.
So no smart lenses for you.
Not in public, at least.
You have to use your phone.
It is not the same.
You will survive.
I guess so.
Was there a third story?
Yes, a very big one.
Is it about politics?
Yes, international politics.
Where did you read it?
In the New York Times.
What is the date?
It was January 16, 2026.
Okay, tell me.
The headline is the Moon Tax Treaty.
The moon tax?
Yes, can you believe it?
That sounds like science fiction.
It is real life now.
What is the UN doing?
They want a global tax
A tax on what?
on minerals from the moon.
Minerals brought back to Earth?
Exactly.
That is very interesting.
The private companies are furious
Why are they furious?
because they want the money.
Space travel is expensive,
Yes, it costs billions.
so they want the profit.
But the UN says no.
What does the UN say?
They say the moon belongs to everyone.
That is a nice idea.
It is bad for the economy.
Why is it bad?
Companies will stop going there.
Maybe that is okay.
No, we need the resources.
But we need fair distribution.
You sound like the article.
It is about equality.
It is about business, Alex.
Space is not just business.
Everything is business.
I disagree.
If I go to the moon,
You are not going to the moon.
imagine I go to the moon
Okay, I am imagining.
and I find gold.
Okay,
I want to keep the gold,
but the moon is not yours.
but I did the work.
It is a difficult topic.
It is a new tax.
We have taxes on Earth.
Now we have taxes in space.
It is the future, David.
The future is expensive.
And complicated.
I prefer selling products here.
Here on Earth?
Yes, it is simpler.
And you have coffee here?
That is the most important thing.
Is your coffee finished?
Almost.
We have to go back.
I am not ready.
The meetings are waiting.
I need 5 more minutes.
We do not have 5 minutes.
You are a tough boss.
I am not your boss.
You act like a boss.
I just manage time well.
Okay, let's go.
Do you have your computer?
Yes, it is at my desk.
Good luck with your sales.
Good luck with your project.
Let's talk more tomorrow.
Yes, maybe more news.
Hopefully good news.
I hope so too.
Have a productive morning.
You too, Alex.
See you at lunch.
Maybe if I am free.
Okay, see you later.
Bye, Alex.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.